Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to mount the kids chair from Ikea called POÄNG. I don't know if I said it right. Hi. Hi. Hey y'all. So I will leave it down below in the description so that way you guys know what I'm talking about. So I got this chair obviously for this girl over here. Yeah, I wanted to have something cool that goes with the vibe of the living room. And before we head on with this video, if you're new here, welcome. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. video. I think this chair is so cute, so I will definitely link it down below in the description if you guys are interested in buying it. You buy it in 2 pieces, so you buy the chair and then the thing that I put on top, the little cover, that's separate. And I know they had another one that was white with dinosaurs on it, so it's your preference. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.